Okay. So point number one, what is a rectifier? Rectifier means it will going to convert AC to DC. That is called a rectifier. Rectifier means it will going to convert AC to DC. That is called a rectifier. What is the purpose of the rectifier? Everyone having the mobile phone. The mobile phone inside, what is there? Battery is there. You want to charge the battery. How do you going to charge the battery? So you need rectifier. This rectifier, everyone, those who have that mobile phone, you have the rectifier in your hand. That is called a mobile phone adapter or charger. You have the different names: mobile phone adapter or charger. So that is a rectifier. So that adapter, you are connected to that plug point. Plug point, what is there? AC power supply is there. Mobile phone is a DC. It will going to convert AC to DC. Yes or no? So that is a rectifier. Then next one, rectifier, it is a power semiconductor device. Power semiconductor device is called, it is on off the switch, on off the switch. So what is the device you are used? So either you are going to use the uncontrolled device. Uncontrolled device means that is called diode. Uncontrolled on, uncontrolled off. So I have explained about that one. Is easy to understand purpose. I gave the example for that diode, and then controlled device for that SCR. So diode and SCR both also do for the rectifier operation. What is a diode? What is a diode and what is a SCR? So symbol wise, when you are going to draw the symbol, so diode, this is a diode. So you can say about the diode. Okay, diode means it has the two terminal anode and cathode terminal. It will going to operate on the forward bias. So forward bias means anode is a plus with respect to cathode is a forward bias. You will going to apply the forward bias. It will going to operate it. So this is about the diode. It is about the diode. So diode is an uncontrolled device. Uncontrolled device means no gate terminal is available. Okay, I said about the example for that one, DNMOT. So DNMOT, so you will going to go for that entry in only one place, exit is another place. Similarly, it will going to permit on the only one direction. It will going to permit on the only one direction from anode to cathode only. And another one is a device is called the SCR. SCR means it is similar to the diode forward bias, similar to the diode forward bias, but here is a gate terminal available. It is a Spencer Plaza. So Spencer Plaza, they will going to see you. Okay, like they will going to the gate. Okay, this is a security. The security is standing on that every Spencer Plaza. The security, what is the purpose of this security? They will going to check you. So check and then they will permit you. So this is a difference between the SCR and then diode. Both also unidirectionally flow device. Unidirectionally flow device. Okay, diode is uncontrolled device. Uncontrolled on, uncontrolled off. The uncontrolled on, what is uncontrolled on and what is uncontrolled off? Okay, what is uncontrolled on and what is uncontrolled off? Uncontrolled on and what is uncontrolled off means, see, diode is there. So diode. Okay, here is a power supply. So anode is a positive, and with respect to the cathode is a negative. Okay, through that one lamp you have connected. Okay, so whenever, okay, power is a flow anode to here. So whenever I will going to give the source is a 50 voltage I will going to give. If I will going to give the 50 voltage, what will happen? The diode, it will going to take a drop on around near to the 1 volt and give the 49 voltage to the lamp. Give the 49 voltage to the lamp, it will going to close the circuit. Okay, this is controlled, it is uncontrolled on. What is uncontrolled on? Whenever I will going to give the power supply this direction, the diode is permitted. That's all. The diode is it will going to simply permitted. Suppose I will going to reduce the power 50 voltage instead of that one. I will going to reduce into that 0.5 voltage or 0 voltage. It is near to the 0 voltage. 0.5 is but nothing but 0 voltage. So what will happen? Okay, automatically no source is a flow. No source is a flow to the load. No source is a flow to the load. No source. That is uncontrolled turn off. That is uncontrolled turn off. Uncontrolled turn on, uncontrolled turn off. So this is about the diode. If you have interesting about, I will teach you. If I have see that one diode, I will going to draw. Here is a source, DC source. Okay, you should be understand about the differentiation diode. Okay, DC power supply, one diode, and a diode followed by one lamp. I will going to connect it. So here DC power supply is 100 voltage. So 100 voltage DC power supply. It is a unidirectionally current. DC means it will going to flow only unidirection. Yes. Switch is it is on. That's all. It will going to on. So DC will going to give the same. It will going to diode. It will take the 1 voltage. It will going to near to the 1 voltage take. So 99 voltage is coming to that lamp. the lamp it will going to glow. That's all. The lamp it will going to glow. Okay. What is the voltage across here? What is the voltage? DC voltage, DC only. Here is a DC only. DC voltage I am going to give DC voltage only. If you have use one voltmeter, okay, use one voltmeter, measure it. So DC only. Then next one, suppose I will going to change the power supply DC instead of AC. I will going to change it. Okay, I will going to change the power supply DC instead of AC power supply. I will going to change. If I will going to change the power supply, what it will happen? Connected to the lamp. If it is I will going to connect it means the AC power supply pays with respect to, there are two mode, pays with respect to neutral, then neutral with respect to pays. Like it is a two mode it will going to operate it. What is the two mode? Here is a positive magnitude and then negative magnitude, sinusoidal input. Okay, during the positive magnitude, blue color, phase, flow, switch is closed and close the circuit. Then output, what is output? This is same as similar the output. Positive magnitude. During the negative magnitude, bottom is a phase to the lamp load. Okay, lamp to the switch is a switch. The diode is not operate under reverse bias. So here is current is there, then it is a stop. So no current is a flow to the closed circuits. No current is a flow to the closed circuit. So automatically output is a 0. That's all. This is a waveform. This is a waveform for that one is a half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier. The next one will go ahead on that full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier we go ahead on that. Okay, so for just you will going to take a capture about this image. Then let's we go ahead on the full wave rectifier. What is that one? Full wave rectifier. There is a two possibilities method available. One is a center tapped method. Another one is a bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier means you will going to use for that two winding transformer. It is enough. Step down transformer. So here is a primary, more number of turns. So 230 voltage. Then secondary. So secondary less number of turns. It's a 20 voltage. So you will going to draw the diagram bridge rectifier for diode. You will going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. You will going to draw. Okay, and at this point you will going to connect it to the load. This is a load, lamp load or whatever resistance load you will going to use. Any type of the load you will use. Give the name 1, 2, 3, 4 you can give. And the center leg number 1 you will going to connect it with one point. Another point is you can connect it with the neutral. Here is the operations. This is a circuit diagram for bridge rectifier. So what is the device I am using? Diode. Diode means uncontrolled device. Okay. So what is the operation about that one? There is a two operation. Mode 1 left slash, mode 2 right slash. So left slash I will going to draw. What is a left slash? Left slash means 1 and 4 is on. So 1 and 4 is close the switch. Okay. That power is a flow from A to B. A to B. Yes. So this is a phase with respect to neutral. So draw that input waveform. It's a input waveform and output waveform. Output waveform mode 1 is I got connected. So left slash means switch number 1 and 4 I gave for that 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is closed. If 1 and 4 is closed means whatever the same source is there, same source is coming to the load. So positive okay value is coming to that one. From it is a flow from A to B. Then next one negative of cycle. Otherwise you can say about the mode 2 negative magnitude. So during the negative magnitude, bottom is a phase, top is a neutral. Bottom is a phase, top is neutral. Mode 2 operation right slash. Where is a right slash? Right slash means 2 and 3 is closed. Close it. So 2 to the load A to B, and here is a where is a 3 to the neutral. See phase A, phase 2 2 to the similarly A to B. It's a flowing. Same direction is a flowing or not? Same direction is a flow. So due to the same direction is a flow, your output waveform is coming to here. That's all. This is about the full wave rectifier. This is about the full wave rectifier, left slash right slash. Okay, fine. The next one is the same full wave rectifier. You will going to try on the center tapped method. So what is the center tapped method? I will going to draw the diagram. So same primary winding, okay, then secondary winding, then secondary winding it is, oh, please accepted about the diagram. So secondary winding, so secondary is it consists of the 3 terminals. Then you will going to draw the diode, you will going to draw the diode 1 here, and then you will going to draw the diode primary winding and core and the secondary winding. The secondary winding it consists of 3 terminal, and here you will going to draw the diode 1, and here you will going to draw the diode 2. Okay, these two diode you will going to join, and you will going to come as n here, and this is the output terminal you can take. Okay, so for example, it's a 230 voltage. Okay, here 230 voltage, here is a 0 point, here is a 20 voltage, here also 20 voltage. So 20 plus 20, what is that one? 40 voltage is coming here. 20 plus 20, what is the voltage? 40 voltage is coming here. This 40 voltage, okay, it will going to coming here. Okay, and then you will going to use for that one constant voltage regulator 7815 you are going to use. So 7815 you only one voltage regulator, and here is a ground terminal, and with respect to terminal, that's all. If you are going to use one filter also, inductance and capacitance, LC filter, I will going to use L and C. Yes, then output is a DC. So this is a method about that one. It's a full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier. Okay, so we're going to see about the operation about that mode 1 and mode 2. Here is mode 1. What about that one? Here is a neutral, I've said, or it is a minus terminal or neutral. So space, okay, with respect to neutral. Phase with respect to neutral conditions. Very simple method out. I will going to teach you. Yeah, instead of I will going to teach here, first you will understand the circuit diagram. Very simple method I will going to teach you here about this concept. Yes, okay, see the same circuit. Okay, two diode is connected at this point, and the central point is I got connected to the load to the ground. What I have drawn the circuits. So here, yes, transformer, then central point, and then here is a one diode, and here is a one diode, here is another diode, and these two diodes I have joined, and after joined here I have connected to the load. Yes, same method. Okay, now you will want easy to understand, that's why I am coming to this point. Mode 1 condition here is a plus with respect to neutral. Phase with respect to neutral conditions. So phase is with respect to neutral. The current is a flow from here to that one. It is a possibilities to flow, and as well as possibilities to flow here also. But if this diode is a reverse bias, so only it will going to flow. So here you will going to write A, and here you will going to write the B. Okay, it's a positive magnitude. During negative magnitude, bottom is a phase, top is a neutral. Top is a neutral. Then here is a flow, it is a start to flow from here, and then it is going to here as well as here. So here is a reverse bias. So only this diode is conducted. That's all. So this is a method about that one, center tapped full wave rectifier. Center tapped full wave rectifier. Fine. Yeah, 3-phase rectifier. Okay, so this is about the diagram. See here about that one, plus, and here is a minus. So it's a ground, common ground. You will going to connect it, and then with respect to that filter, you will going to use the one filter and followed by the load. So easy to you will going to understand. So this diagram mode 1 and this diagram for that mode 2. So this is mode 1 about only diode is connected. Okay, positive off cycle. Mode 2 is connected only on the negative off cycles. Negative off cycle. Your output waveform is a full wave waveform.